Alright, let's be honest for a second. Smartphone cameras these days don't really change that much. I mean, Apple, Samsung, Google, they've all pretty much locked in what works. So now, every year we get these tiny tweaks. Maybe a new filter, maybe a new buzzword, but the hardware? Meh, barely touched. But hang on. This time things might actually be a little different. So the ever-reliable Ice Universe, yeah, that guy who leaks Samsung stuff like it's his full-time job, just dropped something spicy about the Galaxy S26 Ultra. And for once, it's not just about a new shade of gray or one extra pixel. Apparently, Samsung is doing something meaningful with the main camera, and not in a marketing said it's better kind of way. Before diving deep into today's video, a quick request. A single click on the subscribe button from you genuinely fuels my motivation to create more videos like this. It means a lot. Also, drop a like and comment if you like the video. Now let's get straight to today's topic. A while back in July, Ice Universe said the S26 Ultra would stick with Samsung's in-house 200-megapixel ISO HP2 sensor, same one they've been using since the S23 Ultra. Nothing wild there. But he also mentioned something interesting, a bigger aperture. Fast forward to now and Ice is back with more tea. According to him, the S26 Ultra's main camera will have an f1.4 aperture. Now he didn't say where he got this info from, but come on, it's Ice Universe. The dude's leak accuracy is better than some weather forecasts. If you're sitting there thinking, cool, but what does that even mean? Let me break it down real quick. The aperture is basically the hole that lets light into the camera sensor. The smaller the number, the bigger the hole. More light equals better low light performance, and here's the fun part, more natural background blur. You know that buttery portrait mode look, but for real. For context, the S25 Ultra had an f1.7 aperture. So going from 1.7 to 1.4, that's a serious jump. It's like opening the blinds way wider. Your photos will look brighter, sharper, and just more alive, especially in darker environments. And let's not forget, low light has kind of been Samsung's weak spot compared to what Apple and Google are doing. So this f1.4 thing, if it actually delivers, Samsung might finally catch up, or dare I say, pull ahead. Look, it's not a revolutionary change. They're not reinventing the camera here. But in an industry where upgrades often mean we made it 0.1 millimeters thinner, this actually feels like progress. The S26 Ultra might finally bring a camera upgrade you can actually see, not just read about on a spec sheet. So what do you think? Is this kind of upgrade worth getting excited about, or are you waiting for Samsung to do something really wild, like a hidden drone camera or something? Let me know in the comments, and as always, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Take care, legends.